The financials page in Brelly allows you to see all of the financials dealing with the claim. At the top, you'll see total requested, total approved, total paid, and what's still remaining. After you upload your estimates, these fields will automatically populate. You can also see a category breakdown, payment progress, approval status, claim flow, top discrepancies, coverage limits snapshot, coverage utilization, and the different coverages. In the Estimates panel, you can import estimates by clicking Import Estimate, name the estimate, click This is a supplement estimate if it is, drag and drop your files, and then hit Import Estimate. Sometimes you'll need to verify line items. You can do that one at a time or all at once by clicking the top box. When you're ready to verify, just select Verify Selected. In the Reconcile page, you can see what may need to be reconciled still. Each section will have a requested, approved, difference, and paid. The Contents tab allows you to add contents such as a smart TV, and you can do that by clicking Add Item. Add Expenses in the Expenses tab. Click Add Expense, and this is where you can type in porta potties, hotel stays, and whatever else is necessary. You can add payments in the Payments tab. You can do so by clicking Add Payment, putting the amount, the type of payment, the payment date, and any other information. When payments have been added, you'll see it reflected in the total received, total allocated, and total unallocated. And that's how you use the Financials page in Brelly.